The long O sound. Whenever you come across this O sound and you want to teach it to your child or pupil, like I said before, it has two sounds, the short and the long. This video, I'm going to be talking about the long sound. My previous video, I treated the short sound. So the long sound for the O is ooh. You can see the position of my lip. Ooh, ooh. Again, ooh. O sound, ooh, for the long one. Ooh. So I have the word food, food, the food. I have moon, moon. I have spoon, spoon. I have root. I have root, root. I have the word noon, noon. I have the word soon, soon.